Whee!
Almost inside the ride at all times.
They are inside the ride.
I will run them over.
You cannot pass.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Places.
Shiny. She was obviously not premature. Obviously not premature.
Well, Erica.
Then.
Well, Erica.
Friends like that.
Yeah.
I'd like to know how you plan on getting out of.
I don't.
Really?
Yeah.
You're going to sit in there all night?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I'm the greeter.
I'm curious. What's the bathroom?
They don't have one.
Way over on the side of it.
Wait, they have
Why
one.
did you go to the bathroom when you were there?
Because we didn't have to. I'm still recording. Oh my God. Oh.
Okay, what are we having for lunch today, tomorrow?
I don't know.
You know, some frozen tea and chicken sandwich.
I'm an idiot. Deal with it.
I want to see Erica fall.
I want to see her triple.
Let's go over so Erica can go potty. Erica has to go potty.
I do.
I'll take Erica to the
Does Erica have to go potty?
Erica's got to go potty.
Yeah, but I have to go potty too.
Have
fun trying to get out.
Getting out of the cart.
Oh, yes.
Once you're in the cart,
Hold on.
you're dead.
I like how you like run ahead. Whoa, where are we going?
To the potty.
Okay, good.
Yes, to the bathroom.
I didn't know that. Oh, that's why that says restaurant.